Hello guys, welcome to CyberTechX YouTube channel guys. Before starting video, please do subscribe, like, share and comment below. Okay. So today we are going to I am guiding you to creating a persistent Kali Linux pen drive which act as independent hacking device, right? Okay. So to do that we need a Kali Linux ISO image file. So let's download it. Open browser and just simply type kali.org. On this web page website, click on download. uh, Scroll down below and here we want to persistent Kali Linux pen drive, so we have to download this live boot version. Okay, so click on this and below click on Kali Linux 2024 dot point. This is recommended, so it will start downloading. I have downloaded already, so I am cancelling it. Okay. After then we record Rufus software for booting pen drive. Okay, so let's download it. Open a browser and simply type Rufus download. And here rufus.ie website, it will redirect you to download page. Here download the latest one. Okay, I have downloaded it already, so you will be click and it will be installed. Okay, this is what okay, and you have a pen drive. Minimum storage should be 8 GB and 3264 will be more preferable. Okay, so let's open Rufus software first. Open file manager and locate where you save Rufus software. Here it is. Simply simply right click on it and run it as administrator. Click on okay, click yes, and it will simply open Rufus software. UI will be seen here. Okay, our Rufus software is running. Connect your pen drive. Okay, it will detect automatically. My pen drive is 32 GB, right? So it detects automatically. And if you connect multiple pen drives or drives, it will list below and which pen drive you want to put, select from here. Okay, here disk or ISO image file, we have to click on select and go for where you have download your Kali Linux live AMD 64 this file, ISO image file. Click on it and it will, okay, and let give a persistent partition size. uh, my pen drive is 32 GB, so I'm giving it 8 GB of persistent storage. Okay. uh, Partition scheme should be MBR. And okay, let's see advanced option. Here don't need to do anything. Here a quick format should be checked, and extend labeled icon files should be checked. Okay. Let's click on start, and it's showing the warning that whatever data on a pen drive will be deleted, so make sure to first take a backup of data on a pen drive, and then make it bootable. First it will delete all delete and format all data, and then okay guys. Okay guys, it's done. Okay, let's close it, and close all tabs. Press shift key and click on restart, and make sure bootable pen drive should be connect your laptop. Wait for its starting. Okay, see carefully. Go for a troubleshoot option in advanced option, and UEFI firmware setting, and click restart. uh, okay, and come to boot option, and here make sure here is a secure boot option should be disabled. Okay, and we have to select this and this partition and upload our USB pen drive at first position. So make it first position. Okay, you can see this, it comes to the first position, uh, and make save and exit from boot menu and enter. Okay. After this, it will start with direct booting from USB pen drive. Okay, see here we have these options. We have to choose this fourth one, live system with USB persistence, check kali.org persistence, or the second one also, but it's encrypted, so it will take some time. It is go for a fourth option, click enter. It will restart automatically. So wait for the configurations made by it. Okay. Be patient, let it be finished by itself. Okay, and finally guys, our Kali Linux system is open. Okay, here it is. Here is the terminal. Open it. This is a browser and file system, and here the home option, from where we can access different applications and tools for penetration testing and ethical hacking purpose. Okay, if you right click here, you can open terminal here. Likewise, finally guys, uh, yeah, we have done it. Okay,
In this way, you are able to successfully